Hi everyone, and welcome to Vibe Check. Today we'll be showing you how to turn your chicken of the woods into delicious chicken nuggets. We start out by cutting it into smaller pieces, then we give them a quick rinse and move on to cleaning the pieces by rubbing off any excess dirt with a cheesecloth. You can also use a soft bristle brush here if it's needed. Next, we separate the tender ends that we will use for nuggets from the harder center pieces that will go into making our mushroom stock. Moving on to flour, we like to mix half a cup of potato starch in with 1.5 cups flour to make the nuggets more crispy. Here we add in our spices to the flour. We use smoked paprika, Creole seasoning, adobo, black pepper, and garlic powder, but feel free to make your own unique blend here. After that, we mixed up 2 eggs with some herbs de Provence and truffle oil. Get the nuggets coated first in the flour, then the egg, and finish off with another layer of flour. This will seal in the moisture while providing a fantastic crunch to the outside. Be sure to pour enough oil into a sauté pan to completely submerge the nuggets and bring up to a medium-high heat. Carefully drop your nuggets into the oil and give them about 6 to 8 minutes to cook, depending on the thickness. While this was cooking, we made a dipping sauce using 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of truffle oil. Take the nuggets out and place on a paper towel to remove any excess oil. A quick dunk in our sauce, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Vibe Check, out.